Well, I'm not alone in saying that Bandon is a photographer's dream. The Chamber of Commerce puts it front and center in their promotional materials. Why is that?
Because it has such an otherworldly feel. And it seems like photographers are always searching for that sort of otherworldly type of location. The Oregon coast, and Bandon in particular, I think really meets that.
That was the voice of Susan Dimmock, a local photographer and motelier who we will meet up with in a minute. But first, let's explore downtown Bandon. Photographing Face Rock is the main attraction, but let's walk through the cute old town first for some snacks, antiques perhaps, and a visit to the marina. One of the main attractions is public art made out of garbage left behind in the ocean by an outfit called Washed Ashore. It's art to save the sea and an important lesson for all of us. People also come to Old Town for the marina, where crabbing is quite popular. This is Oregon, after all.
Grab them from the back. See, they kind of try and get at you.
There she is. From the marina dock, you get to see the COQUILLE River Lighthouse, which has been standing since 1896. To get up close and personal, you'll need to take a little drive down the way to Bullard's Beach Road. Now let's go meet Susan at La Cris Inn. Well, hi, Susan. I'm Jeff. How are you?
Great.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I was looking forward to this.
Photographer by night and weekend, motelier by day.
There you go.
With beautiful pictures everywhere.
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, we live in a beautiful place.
And I'm thrilled that you're going to show us around a little bit.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, so snap on your
cannon. Okay.
Snap on your jacket. We're going to get really windy down at the beach, right?
Yes, let's go.
All righty. Here we go.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
Hi, so I guess I have one important ingredient I have to add, right?
The camera?
The boots.
The boots.
The boots.
Oh, you don't want to not wear boots.
You don't want to come here and not get giant boots, right?
Exactly.
Rubber boots.
Yeah, there's water everywhere.
So we're doing this in the second day of summer. On the second longest day of the year.
Oh, there you go.
And we are dressed for winter.
There you go.
That's what the Oregon coast is like.
Yep, summer by day, winter by sunset.
To Wizard Hat.
To Wizard's Hat. That's beautiful.
I have a feeling it's right around the corner.
It is.
Cannon Beach, the iconic shot, there's the Haystack Rock. Here it is.
Face Rock, Howling Dog, and the Wizard.
All right, and what makes it a Wizard's Hat?
Well, if you move over here to the correct angle, then it really does look like a wizard's hat. Classic wizard's hat shot is to approach it from here with these two rocks flanking it.
Do you know my stupid iPhone trick?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
God, sickening.
I know. That's the iPhone slow shutter trick. It's the easiest thing to do. You make sure to go on live photos, and then you flip it up, and you have 4 effects to choose from: live, loop, bounce, or long exposure. Check it out. Now, what do you say to people who say, you know, I love Oregon, I love the coast, but I'll just go to the north because it's so much easier to get to. I could just fly into Portland. This is a trek.
It really is, yeah. But it's worth it, and people are discovering that, you know. I think it's the most interesting beach on the Oregon coast. I don't want to, you know, advertise that too much, but it is.
What makes it the most interesting?
Well, the sea stacks, the variety and the majesty of these sea stacks is unparalleled.
This is Howling Dog.
Howling Dog Rock. From here, you want to try to separate the rocks.
Okay.
The separation between the rocks is the main thing. We'll try from over here.
Okay, I think I like your angle.
Yeah. It's between the bluff and Elephant Rock, so it's kind of flanked nicely.
Okay, you going low?
Yeah, I usually do.
Okay, then I'll go low. This is Face Rock?
This is the famous Face Rock.
And what makes it famous?
Okay, so Jeff, tilt your head back like this.
Yeah.
And look up to the
I got it. I got it.
Okay, that's the profile. And lots of tourists come here and they'll stand in front of it and tilt the head back and take that shot. Okay?
Okay, so the way to really enjoy this rock,
Yes.
I got to come to Bandon and find out. Show me, Susan, like this.
Okay, so we go back here and someone will be standing over here and take our picture.
Okay, here we go. And do we go like this?
Yeah.
And our stomachs stick out and everything? And let's look at Ruth. Now that all the photographers and everybody has found out about the magic of Bandon through this Photowalks episode, your phone's going to be ringing. Everybody wants to come to Bandon now, right?
Right.
If you need a place to stay, look Chris in.
Look Chris in, right.
All right. Thank you, Susan, for showing us.
You're welcome. It was great.
Let's head out before it gets dark.
Bye.
And with that, it was time to take off on the road again, about 90 miles south to Brookings and the state line, saying goodbye, Oregon, hello, California. Oregon coast, ending right over there on the other side of my camera. California is right around the corner. Hope you enjoyed our photo walk road trip. Any questions or concerns, look for me on Twitter or Instagram, where I'm at Jefferson Graham, and I will see you on the next photo walk. Bye, everyone.